What's up, YouTube? It is TGIF, and I thought I'd bring some fish into your life. Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome everyone to my channel. Welcome to my new subscribers. Welcome to my Soul Squad. So today we're not doing my seasoned flour, but you can still get it at SoulfulTLLC.com. But today I am helping out a fellow co-worker, a fellow YouTube subscriber. If anyone know her, she's bubbly. She has a great personality. She does a lot of live, and that's how I discovered her. And she's a great cook over on her channel. Her name is Tiana. I Can Only Be Me. Hey y'all, hey. But guess what? Saying that, my girl came out with her own season. I can't do it. Her little jingle, the way she do it. Guys, go check out Tiana. I Can Only Be Me. I love her name. It reminds me of the Princess and the Frog every time I say it. But this platform allows the cooks in us to create and develop our own thing and bring it to you guys. Not just good recipes, but just good seasoning. For me, it's flour. For her, it's seasoning. And I want you guys, if you can, to go and support her, show her some love. This is her favorite color, purple. And she came up with this thing called Hey Dust. Hey Dust comes in an original seasoning, and it comes in a Cajun seasoning. I think this is Cajun. This is original. I taste them. They're pretty good. So let me taste what they taste like on food. Now, I'm going to be giving away. She graciously gave me a pack of Cajun and a pack of regular to give away. So I was going to do this lemon and onion baked chicken today, which I'm still going to do, but we're going to do a Cajun lemon and onion bake. I said chicken. Ooh, baked fish. My fish of choice is tilapia. It doesn't have to be yours. Don't go on in me. Don't go on me. Don't go on me. I already know what they say, but it is my fish of choice. My kitchen my way, your kitchen your way. So before we get started, I'm going to grab me some olive oil here. I'm going to grab it. I thought I was going to grab it. It was going to grab me. I know I got olive oil. She just don't see it. I'm not looking at another cabinet, guys. Oh, here you go. It's laying flat down. Okay. Grab me some olive oil. Sprinkle all over my fish. Not that much, just a little bit. There's not that much in here. But that's enough. That's all I need. And I think I'm going to use the Cajun, because we're going to make this Cajun baked fish. Her packaging is cute. I like it because she used her favorite color. I like that you can see the seasoning and you can see all what's in it. Yeah, it's very cute. Our information is going to be below, but I do believe it's Tiana_seasonings at hotmail.com. But I'm going to provide all that information for you guys. And I know it's Cajun. I am not a spicy chick, okay? But she told me that it's not spicy, because when I taste it on the tongue, I taste a hint of spice. But like my brother told me, everything is spicy to me. So I'm going to flip this. And the only seasoning I am using on here to give her seasoning a good and fair tasting is this Cajun. I don't even know there is a such thing, a Cajun baked fish, but it's today in my kitchen it is. So I just want to make sure everything is nice and seasoned. So you look at the seasoning. It's pretty bright. Well, I can tell you for one thing and two things for sure. There is some parsley flakes in there. You know I love a good parsley flake, right? So I got my olive oil in here. I flipped my fish over. I seasoned both of them. So let me cut up some onions. And I put this in the oven on 350. I don't want to dry my fish out. about 20 minutes. How many onions you guys want is up to you. But you know, it's Friday. You want some fish? I hope this get up in time. It's going up today. TGIF Day, guys. It's going up today. And maybe you guys already have fish in the refrigerator. I already had some fish in my refrigerator. So this her season came just in time. We talked about it, and yeah. And this is one small onion for me, but you know what your family like. Yeah. This is all onion that I'm using right here. See, the fish is covering the onions. We want that flavor to sink down in there. And of course, I have my lemon. I'm just gonna cut a couple of pieces of lemon. I should have my serrated knife. Oh, lemon smells so good. All these flavors. I'm just gonna stick one here, stick one there, stick a piece here, and cut one more stick there. Oh, and the thing about it, guys, I actually got a nice sharpener in the basement, never used before, never been open. Wow. Let me take the last little bit of this lemon. Now I'm just gonna squeeze. No lumifoil, no anything in the oven. Take a look at that. That looks so good. This is gonna be some Cajun baked lemon and onions. We're gonna be back when this is done because we're gonna plate it and we're gonna taste it. I'm looking for that flavor. We'll be back. Okay, guys, we're back. Look at my fish. It is done. It came out so good. Like 20 minutes, that's all with the fish. And it came out nice and it's flaky. And it's supposed to be Cajun. And it is Cajun. I used the Cajun. Look, I'm making a mess, guys. And I was so tempted to taste a piece, right? But I said, nope. I'm gonna wait till I get on camera and taste a piece. I'm just getting everything out my pan. The onions, and all that good old stuff right there. So, this is my onions and lemon baked fish. With Cajun seasoning. Tiana, here we go. Y'all see that? And you drop my stuff? Okay. That's good, bro. I don't need nothing else on here. I should put my pepper, but because I like pepper on everything that I do. But the Cajun is not spicy. It tastes pretty good. Actually, it tastes good. It's not spicy. You guys saw how much Cajun I put in there, and that was all I placed on there. I mean, I like it. I think it's been done. That's why I keep dropping. Yeah, Tiana, that's good, boo. So I'm gonna do another video on your original seasoning. Maybe put it in something, I'm not sure, but for my lemon, baked lemon and onions, fish, it did its job. So guys, go check Tiana out and get her Hey Dust, her Cajun. It's not spicy. I think I put a fair amount on it and made my fish taste good. Didn't use anything else. Everything will be in the description below. Okay, so I am out. This is my lemon and onions baked fish, Cajun baked fish. Oh, guys, get your tickets to my Event April the 25th. Baltimore, please come out to my event. Everything is in the description below. The season flower, description below. Tiana's Hey Hey Dust, Cajun seasoning, all her information in the description below. Make you guys some baked onions and lemon. Fish, baked onions and lemon. Some fish, guys. This came out great. It tastes great. And yeah, we're about to eat.